So we are ready to give you guys a rundown of our fifth wheel, what we're going to be traveling in across the country. We've had so many people show concern, I guess is the right word, that they don't think that we'll be able to do it for a year or two because they think we're going to be too cramped. But I want to show you guys just how big our fifth wheel is and how it's set up. Come on.
We're the Essary family, and we're exploring America one destination at a time.
So when you come in, you enter into the hallway. Not much to look at, right? You turn. There's the steps up. We have this long hallway, and then up this set of stairs is Ariel's loft. It's quite spacious. The mattress that was up here was a queen size mattress. Let me see if I can climb up. So I'm up here in Ariel's loft. As you can see, she has shelving behind where her bed is. There are 3 or 4 cubby holes in that whole shelf. She has all of these for her clothes and knickknacks, and there's actually 2 of them that don't even have anything in it. We've emptied it. And then she has her TV and her PlayStation over here. She literally is only ever up here at night, so it works out great for her. She's never been a kid that just stayed in her room during the day. She's always wherever I am. So this loft space is really a great size for her needs. I do not like these steps. They are not made for adults. They are definitely made for children and teenagers. So then we come in here. This is the master bedroom, our RV king, which is not the same as a regular king. This is Jasper's bed, or his little dog bed we purchased. It goes into the living room at night, and we put it in here during the day. Sometimes it goes right there in that little area. We have this dresser. This one is for Jasper's clothing. We have this area, which is actually for a washer and dryer that we do not have yet. So we have cleaning supplies, laundry, some of the kids' clothes in here. And then this whole big closet, I'll just kind of show you a small part of it. It's actually pretty big for an RV closet. Can't really, maybe I can get a light. So, there it is. So there's all this space for our hang-up clothes. And then in behind the hang-up clothes, there are actually 3 shelves for shoes, books, whatever we want. We have a shelf and a half that has nothing on it. So we have quite a bit of space in this RV that we're not even using. Close this back. I love all the mirrors in here. I had to get rid of my stand-up mirror, and I was very nervous about not having one. But look, I have plenty of mirrors, so it's all worked out. Right next to the master bedroom is our bathroom. Your typical RV bathroom, but this one's actually quite large. Towel area, all the things. We have a pretty large shower. It's actually pretty big. I don't know if you can see very well, but this is huge. Like, I can't even put my arms and touch all the way across. It's bigger than the shower we had in our sticks and brick home, actually. Yeah, so I hate this trifold door. Do not like it. We have plenty of space. We have this whole medicine cabinet. It fits all of our bathroom needs. But then we also have this area down here. We have an area down here. We have plenty of empty spaces. So more spaces to buy things, I guess. And if you see these little, whatever they are, sticking out everywhere, it's so that we can lock the doors on the inside, because if not, we have a toddler that will open them while you're trying to use the bathroom or change clothes or whatever type of privacy you need. You do not get it with a toddler unless you're able to lock. So we'll go down the steps into the main areas. This gate did not come with the RV. We put that there for the 2-year-old to keep him out of the bathroom during the day, to keep him away from the front door, all that jazz. Who's being very loud at the moment. So you come in, and immediately to your left is our table slash workspace, because really that's what it is 90% of the time. If you've seen a few of our other videos, you know that we took out the table that it came with and we put in this bar table with the bar stool. We love to raise the shades and just view. You are being so loud. Yeah, you're being so loud. Right across from the table is our kitchen. We have an island. We have this bar area with the storage, a residential sized fridge, an oven that we have never used and I don't know if we ever will, cooking stuff, a very large microwave, again larger than the one I had in my home. I love everything about this except for the double sink. I wish it was one big sink, but I'll take it. I do love the island. And then, of course, little man's space. The living room is normally covered in his toys. I did clean them for this video. He's counting and singing. But we picked them up just for this video so they would not be everywhere when we put them away at night. But in the morning, within an hour, they're everywhere. I usually only have one box out. Jasper. I usually only have one box of toys out at a time. We put one up there, and then like every 2 or 3 days, we'll switch them out. We have our couch. It turns into a queen size. Was it a queen or a full? A bed. It's a couch bed. TV. Ariel. We have our Ariel. Our recliners right here. As you can tell, all of our furniture is covered because RV furniture is the worst. It pills like crazy and it drives me crazy. And so I just put these covers on it and said, to heck with it. I have not, looks like the baby's been over here with the shades. I have not switched out the curtains yet. So all of these curtains that you see is what came with it. We have been working hard on functionality, and now that we have that pretty much settled, we're going to start working on more of the aesthetics. So go through here, and we have the teenagers room. What? Actually, I guess they're both teenagers. So we have Justin's room. It looks like a teenage boy's room. As you can see, there are wires and electronics everywhere, like any teenage boy you've ever seen in your life. So he has 2 different ways of lounging, sleeping, relaxing. He has this chair, which turns into a chase and then flattens out into a bed as well. And then over there, he has a twin size mattress that he rolls out on the floor. It's like a memory foam type mattress that he can put on the floor. He actually prefers that over the chair. And then his pile of blankets and covers and pillows when they're not in use. He has a lot of space in here. He has a lot of space. All of this area, all along the bottom, the drawers, the top, he has hang up clothes in there, so he has his own space for hanging. All of this, and I promise you, every bit of his is full. You don't have any extra space in yours, do you?
What do you mean?
Do you have space to put more stuff in? Do you have empty space in yours?
No, just the drawers right there.
Are they empty?
No.
No? Is there room for you to put anything in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so he has a little bit of space. Not as much as the rest of us. He has filled his... Oh, you have storage under your TV, too.
That's in use as well.
Yes, it is. So he's definitely used most of his space. You might have kept some of the most stuff too.
It's possible.
Yeah, so this is our RV, our Columbus Compass. We searched so hard to find the perfect layout. We searched so hard to find the perfect layout, and we really did. There is one other layout that we prefer over this one, but it's like 3 or 4 times more expensive, this one, so that did not happen. But maybe one day. Until then, we are very much enjoying this Palomino Columbus Compass.